Hello, my dear students. Once again, I welcome to my session. In this session, I am going to take C reading The New Blue Dress Part 2. Now, children, in the last class, we discussed about the little girl from the Gates Avenue. She was hard work in nature, very friendly and politely with her classmates. But the only thing is that she was very dirty and untidy. So the teacher observed the little girl and asked her to come in neat and clean. But the next morning, she continued to come same in untidy manner. So the teacher thought that her mother was not interested in her. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl as a present. So this we discussed in the last class. Now coming to our session, in page number 21, here is the para for you. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress and she was clean and tidy. She told her teacher, "My mother could not believe her eyes when she saw me in this morning in my new dress. My father was not at home, but he will see me at supper tonight." She was full of excitement. Now, here in this para, the next morning, the girl came to the school in the new blue dress, which was given by the teacher. This time, she was looking very clean and tidy. And she also told to her teacher that her mother could not believe her eyes. Why? Because this time she was looking very beautiful, and her mother thought that it's very good to have such a beautiful little girl. Okay? And she also told that her father was not at home, but he will see the girl at supper tonight. Supper means the dinner or the meal that take before going to the bed. And here the girl was full of joy and happiness. Now next para. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. "We were going to begin to be tidier here," his wife said. "I'm ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean." Now coming to the explanation part of this para. Here, the father saw the little girl in her new blue dress. He was very amazed. He was amazed. Here the word amazed means filled with great wonder. Why? Because this time the little girl was looking very beautiful and he was amazed to have very pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, at the time of the supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. So before they never used the cloth on the kitchen table, that is dining table, they never used the cloth. But this time he was very great wonder to see a cloth on the kitchen table. And the family had never used a tablecloth before. And the mother started to be tidier than before. What she is telling that we were going to begin to be tidier here, her mother said to her father. And she also said that she was very ashamed to be dirty when their daughter is so clean. Okay? Now next para. After supper, The mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. Now, here in the para, both the parents of the little girl decided to clean their house. For that, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor, and her husband watched silently for several moments. Then he also went outside and began to repair the fence. And in the next evening, with the help of other families, he began to make a garden. So here, children, the little girl's parents decided to keep their house and surroundings clean. Okay? Next para. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing, and by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw when two men working. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. The minister thought. He asked some important citizens in the city to help them. Now, coming to the explanation part of this para. So, during the whole week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. So, when the little girl parents started cleaning their house and surroundings, the man in the next house watched them very carefully, and by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. So, as he was observed, the little girl's parents, this man also started painting his house for first time in 10 years. And few days later, the young minister of the church passed through the Gates Avenue, and he noticed that these two men were working. And the first time he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. Means when people are trying to make themselves very decent, so they has to have all these things. Means they has to have pavements, that is footpath, and street lights, running water, that is tap water. So he thought, and he requested, or he asked the help of some citizens in the city to help them. Here citizens means people who are living near the Gates Avenue. Now coming to the next para. Few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner, and the houses had running water. 6 months after, the little girl got her new blue dress. Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. Coming to the explanation part of this para. Few months after the girl has received the new blue dress from her teacher, there was a great change in the street of the Gates Avenue. Here people who are living in the street of Gates Avenue, they started painting their houses, repairing the fence, and making gardens in front of their house. So overall they want to become more tidier than before. And this was observed by the minister of the church when he passed through the street, this Gates Avenue. Means when he moved in the street. So first time he noticed that there was no proper facilities in the street of the Gates Avenue. So he requested the people who are living near the city to help the people who are living in the Gates Avenue. So, with the help or with the motivation of this young minister and help from the various corner, now the Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. Means they got all facilities, that now they have proper pavements, means roads, street lights and running water. Now next, when people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who lived in them. Now here, people in other places heard the story of the Gates Avenue. Here other places means from various corner, from various place, they heard the story of the Gates Avenue. Then they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Here organize means to arrange or to make some preparation. So for that purpose, they have set their own cleanup campaigns. Campaigns means a planned activities to help or to do something for these people. So since 1930, from 1930, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized this cleanup campaigns. 7,000 towns and cities have organized, set up a cleanup campaigns so they can help for them for painting, repairing homes and making them to live in a better way. Now, who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? Who knows? Nobody expected this, no? Because here the smallest act of the kindness make the biggest difference in someone's life. Here the small kindness of the teacher had changed a poor little girl and the entire street of the Gates Avenue. Means there was a big social change in the street of the Gates Avenue. So what we have learned from this lesson is that good manners are always influence others. The behavior of the people influence others in all the time. So it is indeed our responsibility to be disciplined and to develop good personality so that always affects others. Okay? So I hope children you understood very well. Thank you.